Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the experience optimization on the Jnotes application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, click the profile icon at the upper left corner of the home screen, and in the left bar you can find the second button, the settings. New, the function settings section, scroll to the down of the page, and you can find the last option, the experience optimization. Actually, I use this function, but if you want to turn off, click to the next yellow icon, and if it will be turned gray, this function will be disabled. If you want to turn on, click that again, and that's it. So simple. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.